Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by the chairman of the people.
Sithibo Shapunjana uThami. Grand.
Nandi chairman.
Ngimnandi uThami. Ya ngakutshela Sithibo ngathi iuniversity ohlala iuniversity. La mawungenile ngeke uphume uThami. Whether we MC or yini, la khazange iphume la. Ya la ngeke uzuphume la uThami. Yeah. Angezwa put. Oh, okay. Yeah, siwongibe ngisakubeka ngithi ngakutshela mfethu ngathi la kusesigodini la. Saka Mabinzele University la ke graduate la. Yeah, graduate ezeMDC zingene kukhuzana ku first team. Sifike zenza izinto zibonakala. Yeah, thina mfethu sishanga underrated players. Yeah, mara sizokwenzela. Uyayibona lo nto lo khona manje siphethe Caterpillar thatha yonke into. Yonke into ukuthi angifuni nje ukuthi ngikhulume ngabanye abantu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngegame yami mara abanenge abamazi. Yabona Sithibo uThami la sizokuhlaba ngakutshela. Yeah, ngiceda ukuhlaba bomnayi manje. Wahlabile nabomnayi. Yeah. Mfethu namhlanje uRiveruze ngegame plan. Qede ngalabantu le Algeria namhlanje besize ngendaba nje ukuthi bafethu qinise emuva and then masiqinise emuva sodlala ama troop pass ma ulokhuzana unganasesu khona phambili uzobaphazamisa ngeheight abolokhuzana bomfukeng bazobakhuthuza. That was the plan out here. Yabona la ku CAF out here mawuzodlala iCAF ungabheki ukuthi always uzodlala ibhola leli letekateka. Sometimes you need to dlala nje linye ibhola nyane le aglinyana ushaya amagoli uphuma uhamba out here. Yabona lo nto le. So ngicongratulate iPirate uThami ngokuthi ifikile ku semi final and na ku final izofika uThami singakhohlwa futhi noma samabhakane asithi nje sicongratulate zonke eziqualifyile zasemzansi because you know what does that mean. It shows Africa ukuthi mfethi South Africa ibuyile league yethu i-tight is content. Sithibo ngakutshela manje ku quarter final ayikho iClub yase Nigeria lapha yana abo inyimba kudala abadominate labo bantu la. Uyangithola mfethu ayisekho iClub yase Nigeria ku quarter final asina club yase Nigeria even na ku World Cup ku qualifying uyayibona ukuthi ihamba phi mfethu siphakamisile sumzansi singakhohlwa Sithibo futhi ukuthi simbonga uJose mfethu phela iOrlando Pirates is the only team that is never beaten kule competition akakadliwe angakuhlabi iPirate iPirate meluyizele ngeplan. You understand? And enye into engifuna ukuyitshela thina ama supporters lawa landela iPirate kamampela. You understand? Ukuthi bafethu ama player ane off form ane form. Bheka ukubuya kwakaXoxi ngasikhathana injani. Sasinama ebhaya ukuthi akafaye uyasiphuza ini forgetting ukuthi uhlele ku injury isikhathe sila. Manje ubuyile umfana uyayiprova uyabonakala ukuthi kanjani. So mina ngicela i-social media samabhakaniya singayi-entertain kakhulu. Thina silinde media statement from our team. I-team yethu yezositshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngama-player wethu. Ngathathi nje izinto enizizwe estradini nizozikhuluma la e-teamini yethu. Namanje ngendaba kaSaleng bafethekela indaba kaSaleng Mr. Ayonjuk uzositshela the day ready ukusitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. uyayithola leyo nto leyo mfethu. Mina nawe sohlangana la ngiyazi ukuthi Sunday uzobe ubhizi uzogijima uzoqala la bese uyePitori awuthiya mina ngilinde ku final
inja
phela Sunday ngizoza ngikushayela iround isithibo ngizokubona ya mina ngifuna nje ukuthi manje ngithole eze ku final ngibone Sithibo ngakutshela
ufunane final
no mina ku final mina ku final awuthiyapha noma yipha
awubonisa ntawo
nayo yisa ya bona noma yiphi Sithibo yisa ya any team I'm ready for yona yabo ukuthi nje khona into engifuna ukuyenza idream yami ukuthi come true uyakhumbula makuzofika uNabi ngakutshela ngathi uNabi ngifunezela ngizomshaya ku final naye